Wait, it's recording. Alright, you ready, Kylie?
Come on.
You guys are fucking retards.
Oh, wait.
He's ripping.
Wait, we're gonna get a one. Where's the other one go?
Don't, he's hurt.
Oh, now it's happening. He is hurt. Always. Ooh, I got a wedgie.
Did you realize that's
He's always
recording?
the time. The other one's tan. Out water. Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, he's recording. We're gonna come back up. How come he can't see?
He's just a fly map.
I know, because they're eating his face.
He flies his face.
I wouldn't like that stuff on my face. Alright, come on, Kyle, let's go get nibbles, and then they'll come back over here. Huh? I think they lost their pony there. Nibbles! Nibbles! The goat sleep.
Smart goats.
Nibbles! Nibbles don't like them today. Oh! Those Mexican strips did not do me good.
Speaking of which, is that what took you so long in the bathroom?
No, I was trying to unlock the computer. Because I said DRT. Yeah.
Here, I go to a party.
Ball, too. Ball. Don't forget that one. Is this a recording?
Thanks.
Alright, y'all ready? Y'all are going to see the funniest thing in your life. 1, 2, 3, go!
Seriously, get in there, dude.
This isn't the most expensive I was.
So just crawl like this.
I ain't gonna knock down anybody. I'm in you, Sears. Hell no. Are you in there? I'm gonna laugh.
I forgot he's mowing the grass.
Alright, videotape me. I'm about to get it. Ready?
What, are you gonna go pet nibbles?
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, go.
Wait, you're pointing back.
Oh.
Watch out for the horse, too.
Alright, go. Hang on. Now. Just wait.
Huh?
I don't know if he'll yell at us. I don't think he will.
He's not paying attention.
Yeah, come on, go.
Watch out, Kyle.
Go. Just watch that fence. Please don't get electrocuted.
Oh.
You cleared it, go. Oh, watch your... Ah! Walk around the horse poop.
It's everywhere.
The big plant right there.
Hello.
Oh, I got a stomachache. Walk down there and jump. Like down there and jump.
What if the boy comes out?
Be like, oh, I dropped my contact. Oh.
I lost my contact and it blew away in the wind. I'm gonna get the horse shit for it.
Oh, I got a wedgie. You're like, I lost my contact and it needs to go back on my eye. I don't care if there's horse shit on it.
We'll wash it off.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.